Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Goodwill Wealth Management. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into, that is equity-linked securities. In this video, we're going to explain what equity-linked securities are, their meanings, and explore the different types you might encounter. So, let's get started. So, what exactly are equity-linked securities? Well, equity-linked securities are financial instruments that combine features of both bonds and stocks. They are designed to offer investors the potential for higher returns while still providing a level of safety. How equity-linked securities work. Now, let's break down how equity-linked securities work. When you invest in an equity-linked securities, you essentially purchase a bond with an embedded option that gives you the right to convert it into a specific number of shares of the underlying company's stock at a predetermined price. Now, let's dive into the different types of equity-linked securities you might encounter. Convertible bonds. These are bonds that can be converted into a company's common stock at a predefined conversion ratio. This means that if the stock's price increases, the bondholder can convert their bonds into shares. Exchange-traded notes. ETNs are debt instruments that promise a return linked to the performance of a specific underlying asset or index. They don't have an ownership stake, but track the asset's value. Equity-linked notes. ELNs are structured notes that offer investors a return based on the performance of one or more stocks. They can be customized with various features, such as principal protection or a minimum return. Reverse convertibles. These are high-risk securities that pay a fixed interest rate but can be converted into the underlying stock at maturity. If the stock's value falls below a certain level, investors may receive shares instead of their initial investment. Now that you know the different types, let's discuss the pros and cons of equity-linked securities. Benefits. Diversification. They offer a way to diversify your investment portfolio. Potential for gains. If the underlying stock performs well, investors can benefit from capital appreciation. Customization. ELNs and similar securities can be customized to meet specific investment goals. Risks. Market volatility. They are subject to market fluctuations, so you can lose money if the underlying asset drops in value. Complexity. ELNs can be complex, making them challenging for novice investors. Counterparty risk. If the issuer defaults, you may not receive your investment back. In conclusion, equity-linked securities are a fascinating blend of debt and equity that can be customized to suit various investment strategies. However, they come with inherent risks due to their link to the stock market. Before investing in them, it's crucial to thoroughly research and consider your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, please consult with a financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.